Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can add text dispersion effect in Canva. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank template. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the text in the left column and select add a heading, and here we can simply search for dove, right? And we are going to change the color of the dove to my favorite color, that is dark blue. Okay, and here we are going to increase its size. Done. Now again what we are going to do is we are going to elements, and here we are going to search for a box, a square box, square shape, right? Square shape. Okay, it's over here and we are going to select this, and now what we are going to do is we are going to increase its size, and then we are going to reduce its transparency, so at least we get an idea where we need to add the effect, right? Now here in the elements we are going to add dove, we are going to graphics, and here we need to find the right dove as per our image. Let us use this one, right? We can also increase or decrease the size. Let's make it of dark blue color, and let's make this some more transparent so that you can better understand what we are trying to do. Let's change the color of this square to white color, and now increase its transparency so it could be more visible, right? We can simply reduce the size of dove, right? Now you can press the Alt key in your keyboard and keep dragging, right? So it will keep duplicating. Now I'm going to press Shift and duplicate them together, right? We can again group them, we can duplicate them, right? You can change position as per your requirement, right? But make sure to arrange in the similar way. Sir, I like to watch your videos, then why don't you subscribe? Subscribe the YouTube channel right now to watch more videos like this, because I want motivation, right? And motivation comes from you guys. If you make comment, I feel so happy that I can't tell you, right? Again we are going to press Shift key and group them together, right? So we can increase the size of dove similarly. So now what you are going to do, I am going to delete these one, right? Now I'm going to show you the magic. Now we are going to select this box and we are going to increase its transparency. So in this way you can simply create text dispersion effect, right? If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.